Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Idypat, just in case this is the first time watching me. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the family. Thank you for joining me today. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick tutorial, not like a tutorial, but I'll be showing you guys how I do clean or care for my face, especially in the morning. It's more or less like my skincare morning routine. This is going to be a really short video because I do this every morning before going to school, so you can imagine I don't waste so much time on my skin very early in the morning. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. The very first thing I would do is to use this cleanser. I got this from Avon. If you're in Ukraine, you must have heard of this shop where you can purchase some skincare products, some what's it called, hair products. They even have a website. I'll try to link it in the description box. It's super affordable, really cheap. And yeah, I've been looking for something that will work well for my skin, and I tried this and I have been committed to it for the past 3 months, so I will highly recommend this. You could use any cleanser of your choice, but I'm still experimenting, so this is a yes for me. The next thing I would use is this argan oil. This is 100% natural argan oil. I got this from Morocco. So it is I mean, this thing is the plug. Like, I have used this religiously for the past 6 months, and I do get questions a lot as to what is my skincare routine, hence this video. This is actually a gift from my friend from Morocco, and yeah. The next thing I would use will be this Avon Care face cream. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it. Again, I'll link it in the description box. This is again from the shop I told you guys about, Avon. Again, it's super affordable. I have used this for quite some time and it really did work for me, so whatever. But amongst everything, if you can't find any of this 3 items in your country, most definitely you'll find the argan oil. So you could use any cleanser of your choice, you could use any what's it called, face cream of your choice, but I'll definitely recommend using argan oil on your face. It works, guys. I'm not joking. So let's just get right into it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do, and yeah, stay tuned.